In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use sequence in Instagram. So basically, you're gonna have to open the Reels page and then tap on the three dots at the bottom. Now, as you can see, we have this sequence option. So basically what we can do, we can use this reel and then we can add on top another video. So we can either record a video with us, with our face, talking about the video, responding to the video, etc. Or we can upload another video from the gallery, and basically Instagram will stitch these two videos together. It's like making a response, or I don't remember how it, what is the name on TikTok, where you can do the same thing. After you post the video, they will be able to see that you've created a sequence, so they can get back to this original video if they want. But overall, that's all you have to know about sequence in Instagram. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.